Hey, my Tea Party squad. So I was in the middle of reorganizing my also paper stickers, and I wanted to share with you what I was up to. Now, I am receiving an Oops bundle really soon, and so normally when I get like a bulk of also paper stickers, I like to just kind of reorganize my system and see where I can put more stickers and have them ready. So I'm going through all of my stickers, seeing how I can move them out of my current system. And I wanted to show you how I was able to make a few DIY also paper sticker albums by using items from my also paper monthly subscription, as well as photo albums I purchased from Michael's. So this is what I want to show you first of how my current system is. I was using a 3-ring binder and then these inserts out that I ordered from Amazon, which I will have the link down below as well. And so, as you can see, I have pretty much overgrown this system, and just for portability when I am traveling is being a bit much. So I came up with this option of having some easy accessible stickers where I can just kind of throw it in my bag. Now, if you know, Also Paper came out with her last subscription, this beautiful sticker album, which I absolutely love. And I wish I got more of these because I love these. And a lot of her other kits that I have in my possession do not fit the current system I'm trying to transition into. So if I can get like another one where I can put just all of the kits, that's how I have them organized by the month. I want to go ahead and do that for maybe like another one of her photo albums if I'm able to get one. But this is how it looks in this system now. I have a few more pages where I can add in a few more stickers. But for the most part, this is what I'm currently using, and I love this one. And so I thought, let me go ahead and make my own. So I'm using some journaling cards from the monthly subscriptions that I've received thus far, and I love them. Some of them I did put in like little picture frames, but I thought these would be great to use as well as like a sticker album cover page. So that's what I'm going to use for the base or the main covers for my DIY sticker albums from Also Paper. And so here are the photo albums I purchased from Michael's a while back, and they were like $1.99 each, and they come in various solid colors as well as designs. And so I picked up a few so I can go ahead and store in my stickers, and these are made by Craft Smarts. They're called the Bragg Books at Michael's. They hold about 36 sheets of 4x6 photos, or like if you're going to be like me, I am going to be storing my stickers in there. So I think this would be great to use for my stickers for storage and to organize them as well. And so these photo albums are going to be the base for making my DIY sticker album. The next item that I'm going to be using for my sticker album is going to be these adhesive square label pockets that I picked up from Target a while back as well for back to school. It was about $3 in like the little dollar section of Target. And with those pockets, I like to put in my sticker of the month, little smaller stickers in there. And then I am going to be putting in my Also Paper stickers, of course, so that I can organize them. So I'm going to be organizing all of my mini friends and mini squad stickers, and also as well as icons in those photo albums. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to go ahead and make your own DIY Also Paper sticker album. I like to go ahead and remove the stickers from the back of this, and you can pretty much customize this because the front and the back pockets actually have a little slip in where you can kind of see through it. And they also have this cardstock paper here they use, and they slip in that can be easily removed, and you can either keep that in there, put your own little design or stickers on the front cover, personalize it however you want. Or if you're going to be like me, I'm just going to go ahead and use the cardstock that already comes with it, and then I'm going to also just slide in one of these journaling or postcards inside of this. So I'm going to use the Bag Girl monthly journal card. I think that'd be really cute, especially because it's already pink. Now you can keep it like this in the front with not any decorations, and you can actually slip in the journaling card in the inside if you want to have like an inside view in the inside. But for me, that doesn't really matter. So I just, kind of straighten it up, make it look nice and cute. And so I like this. I like that it has like a little border in the inside with that cardstock in the background. And then there you go. You already have your cover. Super easy. Again, like I said, I'm going to remove the sticker on the back. I might end up just keeping the back as it is because I don't think there's any other journaling cards I can use that actually goes with it, because I like to kind of matchy match them up by the theme of the postcard. So I'm just going to use that one for right now, just to kind of show you guys what it looks like. And then the inside, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a few of the mini squads. And so this particular sticker album is going to be all about my mini squad stickers. I have quite a few of them, but I'm just going to show you just a few of them for right now in this video. Let you see how easy it is to just slip them in, and you already have your own DIY Oso paper sticker album. So I'm just going to put a few sheets in here. Normally, if I have more than one of the same sticker sheets, I just go ahead and combine them together and put them into one, like this one here. I believe this is the Spring Fever. I have about 2 or 3 sheets, and so I'll just put them together. And so once I use it up, I'll know how many I have in my possession and what stickers I can use and keep it like that. And so I'll just go ahead and slip these in and and I'm gonna flip through it so you can kind of see how it looks. And of course, you can organize this by the theme. You can organize it by the season. You can organize it by icons, like this one. I believe that one is a chore, so I won't put that with the mini friends. I'll put that with the icons or something. But this sticker book or this sticker album is all about the mini friends or the mini squad. And so what I'll probably do is put a little label at the top or maybe somewhere at the bottom of what it is in the inside. And like this one is for summer. So I just kind of put like the summer, spring, and all of that. So that's what that looks like. So I like it. Now, these are the ones that I've actually completed. These are, I think it's super cute, y'all. I just love this journaling card. And I decided to go ahead and use this as my Everyday Dolls photo album. And I'm going to put like a label at the top or maybe at the bottom that has like the Everyday Dolls. And I just love it. So this is what the inside looks like. As you can see, I used a little pocket on the left to put in my monthly stickers. And then here is where some of the newer Everyday Doll stickers are in. And I put them and organize them by the month. You don't have to do it that way. You can actually do it by the outfits, because I was thinking about mixing them up and doing all the pants, Everyday Dolls, the dolls that have on shorts, skirts, dresses. I was going to label it like that, but I just kind of like how the color scheme goes together. And as you can see, I have a few more sheets on the back, and then I also included this journaling card on the back of there as well, but I might take that out. I don't know yet, but I like this because it matches this sticker album that came in the last subscription from Oso Paper. And I just love matchy things. And so I think it'd be great to kind of throw in my bag and keep it all together. Now, this is another one that I completed while I was sitting down organizing it. These are actually my older Everyday Dolls. Like when she first started doing the Everyday Dolls, these are some of the dolls that I started purchasing from her. And so these are like the album that has like the older ones. So I have quite a few. Again, I do have more than one of some of the dolls. And so I put them, behind each other so that I'll know how many I have and keep them in order. And I try to, organize it by their outfits, like from the dresses, pants and stuff. And then in the back, I do have some icons, which I'm going to take out because I want to do another album with just the icons in here. But as you can see, I have a lot of Everyday Dolls, and I do want to kind of make one big album of just my Everyday Dolls, but I don't think it's going to fit. So I'm just going to have to work with what I have. So I probably will have 2, one with the newer Everyday Dolls in there. And then I'll do the other one because I only have like a few pages left of the newer ones. So hopefully if I get the Oops bundle, I'll get a mixture of the newer Everyday Dolls as well as older ones. And then I can just place them in the inside of that and keep a collection. But these 2 are going to be my Everyday Doll stickers, which I might end up taking out one of the covers just so that it can match. So this is how I created my DIY Oso paper stickers. So if you're like me and you love Oso paper or any stickers that you may have in your possession and you want to organize them in a functional way, I definitely suggest using the albums from Michaels. They are $1.99, very inexpensive, and they're very customizable. If you're like me and love to just create, this will be something easy to do. It took me less than 5 minutes to create this quick little sticker album. And so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. And I'm so glad that you tuned into this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.